Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the great state of Michigan. If you're new to the channel, I'm James. In today's video, we're doing a brake job on the van. That's right, winter has come and the brakes have failed. So, we're gonna get over here and we're gonna start ripping this tire off and we're gonna start replacing these brakes on the old van. Oh, shit. There we go. All right, one tire off. All right, folks, so what we have here is we have a bolt here, and we have a bolt right down here, okay? Now, I'm gonna loosen these guys up, right? I'm gonna pull these off, and it should just take the caliper right off, and then I think the rotor just pops right off on this guy. So let's see how this goes. Let's see if I get this apart now. Oh, look at that. All right, all right. Oh, look at this beautiful thing. Check this out, folks. You're gonna dig this. Ugh.
Ew.
I know, right?
I can hear it hitting the ground.
And don't want to come out either. It's like, no, you can't have it.
Oh.
All right, we'll hang this up here.
Ew.
Check it out, folks. I got all the miles out of those brake pads. All right, let's see here. And then I think I'm going to set this over here and pop our rotor off. Look at that. All right. All right, one disassembled. Let's put the new guy back on. All right, we got our C-clamp out. We're gonna press the piston back in on the old girl. Oh, man. And away we go. I'm sure you don't wanna watch all this, so we'll show you when we're done. As you can tell, we have compressed the piston back down flush, and now it is ready for brake pads. So for this brake job, we went with O'Reilly's premium brake pads and brand new rotors. We figured this is gonna be the last brake job this van probably ever gets, and we've always complained that this thing had really crappy brakes, so we decided to go all out on this bad boy. What do you think, guys? New versus old, huh? I think they were due. We got every mile we could out of these babies. All right, so we got our new rotor here. Pop this guy on there. All right. And then hopefully our new pads will just slide right over this baby. Part of the way, they're gonna have to mess with this back here. All right, give me a second. We got those bolts in, and now we just gotta snug them up a little bit. And this side will be done. Okay. We filming? Uh-huh. All right, one brake done. And we won't show you all the work on the other side, but we will show you how bad the other side was. Okay. Well, like I said, folks, check it out. I told you the other side was worse. Look at that. Metal to metal. Oh yeah, that's good stuff right there. I bet you the back of this rotor looks really good. Let's take a little closer look here. Let's see here. Oh yeah, look at that. All the juiciness. Look at that. Isn't that wonderful? Look at that. I got every mile I could out of these brakes. You can tell. All right. Well, let's change these out, folks. Well, you guys, there you go. There's the driver's side. Brand new rotors, brand new pads. Looking good, looking good. Pretty happy with the job. Well, you guys, that's going to wrap it up for this video. Brake job went good on the van. Just took it for a quick ride. Everything works great. If you guys enjoyed the video, give me a like, smash that subscribe. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Merry Christmas, everybody.